very excited because today is the final day of our installation that we are participating in the Palm AV show, which is going to start tomorrow. So you can see that everybody is busy with installation. We have more than 3,000 square feet, and then our stock is more than 30 crore easily. So this time we brought to you a few new type of rental panels.
We have a 20 plus setup screens we installed, all the indoors and outdoor rental cabinets. And you can see here that all the hanging bar, with the help of the hanging bar we set up the LED.